each day to the steps of St. Paul's. The little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, the nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. All around the cathedral, the saints and the apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can see, you know that it's hustles each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence.